and everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have come with a new video that is really very interesting and very useful to you. I hope you are doing great and learning English language in a great way. I am also learning English language in a great way. So this video is really going to be helpful to you, because in this video I'm just going to share important things that should be known from every learners of the English speaking, and the things that I'm just going to tell you that how many years it exactly takes to reach this fluency of a speaking English language. That is a great thing. So I'm just going to share my experience that how many years I have to have the better fluency. I have get the better fluency and a confidence in speaking English language. So how much time it has been taken and how much time you should also have to be take for this kind of things. Definitely all the people, they have the dream to learn English language and have to explore English language and have a good command on English language, and definitely they want to speak English language like a foreigners, like a good speaker, like a good like what I can say, they really want to speak very fluently and very confidently without any hesitations, without any fearness. So as I could say that for learning English language, it's not a easy things that we will get all those learning tips and the practice that we do daily, we will not get only in one day. It will take the times, and definitely if we want to be a good speaker, then it will also take a time, because we don't have the if we don't have the command on that things, and if we will start to learn those things, then definitely we will face some issues at the first time, because we are new on that things, and if we are new on that things, then we will face a lots of difficulties, because we are not habitual of those things. And I could say that if you are also knowing your native language, if you're also knowing your the language you are speaking, if you are also knowing, then you are knowing from the childhood. That's why you are a better experience and better, you can have the good command on that, and you could speak anything, whatever the things you want to express in your native language. But talking about English language, English is also a language, but do you know that if you don't have the command on that, it's a new thing for you, it's a new language for you. That's why you don't have the habitual of these things, and you are not able to speak well English language. But if we will make it habitually, then definitely we could speak very well English language, and a good speaker we could become. So for that, we have to do a lots of practice, and for that we have to be consistent towards speaking English language, towards learning English language. And do you think that most of the people, they just say and they just think that if I will speak English language, then only in 10 days, only in 1 month I will get the result, and I will be successful person, I could speak very well English language, I could speak with fluency and confidence. It is definitely not like that. If you really want to improve your communicational skills, if you really want to speak very well English language, then it don't see any timeline, because it's a language and it will don't see any time of period that you are having the good you are speaking well or not, because a time will come it will take about 1 to 2 years or 2 to 3 years for having a good English speaker, good learner. If you want to be then definitely it will take time, because I have also taken the time to learn English language, and now I'm better explaining to you, I'm better speaking towards to you. But you know that when I was the beginner one, at the time I wasn't able to speak this kind of thing also. That's why I'm just expressing to you all, and it have taken about 2 years to learn this language. That's why I'm here. You know that to reach the fluency, to reach this confidence, I have lost my 2 years towards practicing, towards consistency. So do you know that you will get the result only in 1 month? It's definitely not. Yeah, I could say that better improvement, you could say better result, you could see that I am better than earlier time, but you could not able to speak with fluency and confidently. And do you know that for speaking fluency and with confidently, there is needed accuracy. So firstly we should have to maintain our accuracy, then only we could able to be a fluent speaker and couldn't speak with confidently. Because if we will make the mistake in the sentences, then how we could able to speak well English language, how we could maintain our fluency of speaking English language. So do you know that for me, I have taken 2 years for learning English language, and it was really very challenging for me for 2 years. And since 2 years I'm practicing English language. I'm having the conversation with the co-learners, and I'm consistent towards this kind of things because I really want to improve my communication skills. I really want to practice with those people, one who really want to improve themselves also, and definitely if they will also practice, then I could also practice with them and can improve myself. So that's why for improving yourself there is needed a lots of things that is necessary for you. You have to follow lots of tips, and I have also mentioned, I have also uploaded that videos that what the tips that you should follow so that you could able to learn English language in a great way, better way, and can have a good speaker. So guys, I really want to tell to you in this video is that you don't have to fear, you don't have to lose your hopes towards learning English language, towards speaking English language, because it will take time to replace, and you don't have to give up that I'm not able to learn English language only in 1 month. Most of the people, they just say that we could learn English language in 1 month, but I'm not able to do that kind of thing. Then don't lose your hope, because it's a language. Definitely all the people, they have the different potentials and capacity to do and to perform the things. Then definitely a time will come you could able to speak very well English language. So that's why you don't have to fear, you don't have to lose your hope, you don't have to don't have to think that I cannot do this kind of things. Like, you should be determined towards your doing work, towards your goal, towards speaking English language. Then definitely a time will come you could achieve that things and can speak well English language. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.